Okay, Krishna, now let's get into the charanam of this song. Paramatmudu
Paramatmudu
Jivatmudu
Jivatmudu
Jivatmudu is on the beat. Jivatmudu
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 Jivatmudu.
Yeah, now together. Paramatmudu Jivatmudu Paramatmudu Jivatmudu
Paramatmudu Jivatmudu Paramatmudu Jivatmudu.
Very good. Now second Sangavi. Paramatmudu Jivatmudu
Paramatmudu Jivatmudu
Padanalaku
Padanalaku
Lokamulu Lokamulu Gari Sarigamalu. That should be the ending.
Does it start on the beat?
Yeah, it starts on the beat. Lokamulu Paramatmudu. Then from Paramatmudu you need to repeat that. Okay, try that. Yeah, try Lokamulu. Yeah, you almost got it. Lokamulu Paramatmudu. One more time, clearly.
Lokamulu Paramatmudu Jivatmudu Padanalaku.
Lokamulu. Second time you need to stop it down. Lokamulu.
Lokamulu.
Yeah, clear, Prashna? You understood?